we are gonna solve this problem. It is called minimax sum. Let's solve it. Okay, minimax sum. Given an array 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then what you do is you print the minimum sum. What is the minimum sum? Oh, the minimum sum is the array, you remove the max, and then the array for the maximum sum you remove the minimum number in the array. Oh, okay, we can achieve this by just subtracting it, or I just remove the value. But I think the efficient thing is we can just get the sum of this array and then add the and then we're gonna make logic to check what is the max, what is the sum, what is the minimum, and then we print the subtraction of this array sum. Okay, okay, let's go. We have an array of integer. What we can do is we log from the beginning I in array we check if I more than max. Maybe we just have values. First we prepare max and min and sum for the actual sum, and then check max and min, print the sum minus max, because the first one is gonna be the minimum sum and the second one is maximum sum. So max sum minus min. Okay, so let's prepare it. We have sum, we have var sum equals 0, and then the max should be first value in the array, and then the min should be the first value of the array too. What we can do is we check the max. If max is lower than I, or I is bigger than max, you can set the max to I, and if min bigger than I, then we set I to min. Yeah, we got this both max and min. What I can do for the sum is we need to sum the value. Maybe we can just make this sum all of the value in array. For I in array, you can sum plus I, or to make it simple, we can just move this for loop inside this. So we just need to make the for loop runs one time, and the complexity is big O n. So sum plus I. Okay, at the end of the code we need to print it. First what we need to print is sum minus max, and then we need to print sum minus min, but we need to print it in string, so we can make it something like this. We put double quotes there, and then we put string interpolation here, and yeah, something like this. Sum minus max to get the minimum sum, sum minus min to get the maximum sum. Okay, let's run it one time. Alright, we pass all of the sample test case, and yeah, we just try to submit the code to check if we cover all of the test case. So what we do here is to get the minimum sum and the maximum sum, right? The concept is, when you given an array, when you want to print the minimum sum and the maximum sum, for the minimum sum, you remove the max value inside the array. And for the maximum sum, you remove the minimum value of the array. But if you go with that, you're gonna copy the array, right? So I suggest a suggestion to just subtract it by the maximum value or the minimum value to the sum. Yeah. Okay, we pass all of the test case. Oh, that's around 14 test case. Yeah. Alright, we pass the test case. Does it? What we do is we prepare the max min sum. We get the max, we get the min, and then we get also the sum value of all. And then at the end, we print out the minimum sum and the maximum sum. That's it. That's minimax sum. We have solved it. Thank you.